Hello again, this is my model railway news update. Today is Tuesday the 9th of September 2025. Starting this time with Heljan, and after the success of their previous Class 25 and recent Class 24 releases, a new batch of late body style Class 25 locomotives are being developed to meet ongoing demand for popular liveries. These are all O-gauge, and this batch includes classic BR green and BR blue versions from the 1960s, 1970s and 1980s, alongside unique celebrity locomotives. These include 25912 Tamworth Castle in its distinctive blue, yellow and silver livery, BR Blue 25095 with mid-1980s depot-specific details, and 25102, a late BR Green Survivor with tops numbers and full yellow ends. Additionally, for Scottish region enthusiasts, an Ethel model, one of the three Class 25s repurposed as mobile train heating generators in the mid-1980s, and this is going to be available in this run as well. Aside from liveries, there's no other changes over previous batches of these models. However, these are bound to be popular and prices are around the £500 mark. Rapido UK have been quite busy recently and have unveiled a newly tooled 009 gauge What If short tank Sirdar Class 040, expanding their Kerr, Stewart and Company's Sirdar range. These are inspired by real prototypes, but they are fictional designs. This loco combines longer tanks with an enclosed cab, fits the existing Sirdar chassis and comes in 6 liveries plus some exclusives, including this one available through Rails of Sheffield in the War Department green livery. There's also this version in Works Grey, and it's been offered by 4Ds. It's a company I've not heard of before, but if you want this version you can get it from their website. Oh, and there's also a 009 Society version for members only. However, all versions are available DCC ready or DCC fitted with 6 wiper pickups, a coreless motor with flywheel, and a removable body for easy access to the 6-pin DCC socket. Models include a bag of detailed parts such as chimneys, buffers, brake gear and toolboxes and things like that, so you can customize them to make them your own. Alongside this, Rapido previewed all-purpose wagons in a wide range of variants and liveries, including open wagons, covered vans, livestock, tank wagons, and peak-roofed and stake wagons, so quite a big variety of rolling stock. These showcase fine detailing and humorous private owner liveries apparently. The order book is already open for these, so you can pre-order now from Rapido's website and official retailers. But much more interesting to me, well, I am from Scotland, it's another Scottish steam locomotive in 00 scale. The Highland Railway Loch Class 440 was introduced in 1896 by David Jones to handle the steep gradients of the Inverness to Perth line and the new Aviemore route over Slough Summit. 15 locomotives were named after Scottish lochs, with 3 more added during World War I by the North British Locomotive Company. They were powerful, reliable engines that replaced the Strath class and later worked across the Highland Railway and LMS network. Though 2 survived into nationalisation, none were preserved sadly, but now we have this new 00 gauge model that represents these iconic locomotives, covering various historical liveries and detailing variations. Notable is the inclusion of Loch Ness and the commemorative Loch Inch, but all of them feature interchangeable detailing parts, sound options, firebox flicker and ESU 21-pin decoder compatibility. The project, developed with input from the Highland Railway Society, is already at the tooling stage, although these are just CAD renderings at the moment. So as this project progresses, I'll update you on this channel. The Kernow Model Railway Centre has introduced a brand new, highly detailed 00 gauge Cornish engine house model, available exclusively through them. Part of the Bachmann Scenecraft range, KMRC unveiled this during their open day on 5th of September. The ready-built model includes the engine house itself, a tall chimney, beam engine and pit headstock, capturing the industrial legacy of Cornwall's tin mining heyday. It is priced at £99.99, so it's quite expensive, but it is available immediately. The model offers a charming and authentic touch for modelers seeking to evoke Cornwall's rich mining heritage on their layouts. Also from KMRC, they've launched their second TT120 exclusive wagon, this time a Helston Gas Company 7-plank wagon. It's the Pico model we've seen already, but this time with special lettering on it. So just a new livery option really, but it's priced at £21.99 and it's available exclusively through their website. Accurscale announced the return of their Manor models in 00 scale, and they started off with an exclusives version number 7827 Lindham Manor in Great Western Line livery. Historically, 7827 was a flagship of the Dartmouth Steam Railway, prepped for Royal Train duties in 1963, and the first ex-Barry Island Manor to return to steam in 1973 after restoration. It wore the iconic pre-1934 Great Western livery in preservation, later switching to line black in 2011 and British Railways green in 2024. The new model features an upgraded speaker system for sound-fitted versions and comes with special packaging, plus a certificate. It's going to be priced at $189.99 for analogue or £100 more for DCC sound-fitted versions. Pre-orders are open on their website with no deposit, and the limited run models are due to arrive in Q4 2026. And also, we've been shown the rest of the options being offered in this new run as well. First is number 7819 Hinton Manor in BR lined green with the late crest. This locomotive was built in Swindon in February 1960 and presented in lime green livery. Hinton Manor worked throughout Wales, most notably on the Cambrian Coast Express. Rescued from Barry's scrapyard in 1973, it was restored to steam and saw mainline use before eventually becoming a static exhibit at the Severn Valley Railway. This one is 7822 Foxcote Manor, also in BR line green with a late crest. Delivered new to Oswestry in December 1950, Foxcote Manor became a key locomotive on the Cambrian lines and was one of 5 engines to haul the Royal Train in 1963. Saved by the Foxcote Manor Society in 1975, it re-entered service in 1988. The next one is 7825 Lechlade Manor in BR lined black with the early crest. Completed in December 1950, Lechlade Manor was the final manor to appear in lined black livery. Withdrawn in May 1964 and scrapped the same year, it is remembered as one of the lost members of the class. And finally, it's 7828 Orkney Manor, and again in BR line green with a late crest. Built in 1950, Orkney Manor became the first of the class to be repainted into lime green in 1956. After widespread service across Wales, it was withdrawn in 1965 and saved from Barry's scrapyard in 1981. Today it remains in operation on the West Somerset Railway. All of these have the same high level of refinement we've seen in Run 1 and are priced the same as exclusives versions, so if you're interested in any of these, head on over to the website and place your pre-order now. Anyway, that's the video folks, thanks for watching. I'm sure there'll be more coming soon, so subscribe to keep yourself up to date and I'll see you on the next one.
So model trains, model worlds, choo choo, model trains, tiny train, in tiny worlds, choo choo.